I'm going to explain to you how you can turn probate into litigation really quickly. Probate should be simple and easy. I've been doing this 25 years and I can run them through if there's no conflict really simply. But where things can go wrong is where people start acting incorrectly, beginning with the deceased. If mom or dad has put up conflict their whole lives, much higher likelihood that when they die, there's going to be some conflict in their estate. So resolve those conflicts while mom or dad are alive. If there are sibling conflicts, much better to get those things resolved and reconciled while they're alive. Ain't always easy, but that's what you should be striving for. Number two, get a will done. Get a will done by an experienced practitioner who is not going to screw it up, not one of these online wills that are going to have terms incorrectly, that's going to have these people fighting over here. Number three, resolve the debts, conflicts, litigation at the front end. This is especially true when people know they're dying. Nothing worse than, dad with disease and leaving litigation, leaving credit, leaving things out there for the wife to deal with after he died. That's what turns probate into expensive litigation. In order to have litigation in a normal probate, you got to pull that conflict outside and go to civil court. It's complicated, it's messy, it's really expensive, and vast majority of this stuff can be avoided, the adversary stuff in particular, if it's confronted while the person is alive. The other big area is after probate's open, when somebody on the professional or fiduciary class over here isn't acting correct, not communicating well with the beneficiaries over here. The thing I see often is Mr. Big Shot over here, Ms. Big Shot over here, personal representative, one that thinks they're in control, one that thinks they know everything, is going to sit there and lord over the other beneficiaries over there. I don't care what your family dynamic was like while you were alive. I don't care if you were the big shot brother that knows everything. That ain't the way it works in court. In court, the personal representative has a fiduciary duty to act with respect for all of these people over here. And that's another area where I certainly see it. That conflict, that sibling rivalry, that kind of put down stuff that you might have dealt with your whole life doesn't work in probate. And so if you're the personal representative, better have your eyes open about that. If you're the beneficiary class over here and still having to deal with big brother, big sister that's exercising power over you in a way that doesn't feel healthy, there are rights that you have. You can have that person removed if their conduct is improper. Got a whole site devoted to this, the rules in particular that can help to explain what these very real issues are and help give you information that will help to make the process a little bit easier. If you have interest in this in probate and you want our probate guide, drop your contact information in here. We'll send you over the link that will explain everything to you.